Vital Rich Concept, branding and the packaging mentoring for SMEs. So today we're going to be talking about the packaging cost for non-industrial nylon. So stay tuned. Okay, don't forget to get all our packaging items that you need for your packaging, both all our sealers, our rechargeable sealers, branding kits, our nylon, industrial nylons and non-industrial nylons. Place your order through WhatsApp chat. You place your order through WhatsApp chat to get all these items that you need for your packaging, and we're going to deliver to you anywhere you are in this world. You can get our WhatsApp link from our bio to place your order. Believe me, you need all these items for your packaging. Okay, so don't forget to get our WhatsApp link from our bio to place your order. Okay, now this is the pack for the non-industrial nylon. So we start by breaking the seal, cutting it open. Now inside one pack you have 500 nylon rolls. This is non-industrial nylon. This is not industrial nylon. So you have 500 nylon rolls inside one pack, but it's a little bit more than 500. Okay, it's a little bit more than 500. Now you use impulsesealer to seal this nylon. You do not use mini sealer. Please don't bother using mini sealer with this nylon. It will burn it up. It's impulsesealer that you use. You can also use all those rechargeable sealers. Okay, don't forget to like this video, share this video wide. Yes, in the comment section, make comments. Okay, make comments so you can see it has quite a lot of nylons inside it. This nylon can give you so much. Now the width of this nylon is approximately 3 inches, while the height, the length is fixed. The length is 24 inches in the length. Okay, I'm going to measure it now so that you can see. So you can see the length, fixed length of 24 inches. The width is approximately 3 inches. Follow me for more tips on packaging. Yeah, if you're an SME here or you want to start packaging business, follow me for more tips on packaging. Okay, our videos will really help you. So now let's say the item you want to package is 3 inches, okay, in the height. Okay, like this, what I have here now, let's say it's 3 inches item you want to package, but you're going to make allowance for sealing. So I always recommend your sealing allowance should be like ½ inch. Okay, so if sealing allowance should take ½ inch, therefore the items will take through 2.5 inches. Therefore everything all together will be 3 inches. The first step is to know the height of your product. So now we know the height of what we want to package is 3 inches. So I'm removing the item from the nylon so we can measure the nylon, you know, only without any item. This is applicable for both roll and single sealing. The total length is 3 inches, while ½ inches for the allowance for sealing, and the remaining 2.5 inches is for the item. Okay, now we're going to calculate inside one roll how many sachets is it going to give us. Since the height of our item is 3 inches and the entire roll is 24 inches, we'll say 24 divided by 3. That means inside one roll we are going to get 8 sachets. Now we know that the entire pack is 500 pieces. We now say 8 times 500 pieces, and it's going to give us 4,000 sachets. That means for that entire pack you're going to get nothing less than 4,000 sachets of your product. Now let's assume in this 2026 the cost of one pack is 21,000 naira. So you now say that 21,000 naira divided by 4,000. Wow, so the cost of one sachet is 5.25 naira, Nigerian naira. That is how you're going to calculate the cost. The cost of one sachet is 5.25 naira. Okay, I hope you got that clearly. Now let's also calculate the packaging cost for an item that is up to 4 inches height. I'm going to measure it out now from the nylon roll. Okay, don't forget to like this video if you're getting value from it, and keep on following us. Now remember, since the entire thing is 4 inches, you're in the height, you're going to remove, that means half inches for the selling allowance, while the 3.5 inches will be for the content, making it altogether 4 inches. So I've added item there to show you how it would look like. So that is the allowance for selling, the half inch for the allowance for selling, and then the 3.5 inches for the item. You've seen how it looks like. Now let's start the calculation. Okay, it's 4 inches in the length. So we're going to say 24 inches divided by 4 inch, giving us 6. So you have 6 sachets for one roll. Then we are not going to times that 6 by 500. We get 3,000 pieces. You're going to get 3,000 pieces of the item. In this 2026, let's assume the cost of one pack is 21,000 naira. Then you say 21,000 divided by 3,000 is going to give you 7 naira. So the cost for one sachet of your product using this nylon, if the height of your item is 4 inches, the cost per sachet will be 7 naira, Nigerian naira, 7 naira. So with this method, you can calculate it with your currency. It doesn't matter the country where you're watching me from. You use the same method to do your own calculation. Now this nylon goes with impulsesealer. It also goes with this rechargeable sealer, this rechargeable sealer stroke vacuum sealer. It also goes with this mini rechargeable sealer. I always recommend this mini rechargeable sealer as a backup sealer and not the primary sealer. Okay, very important information I want to give you now. Never you plan to use these mini hand sealers, both the line surface and the smooth surface with this nylon, they don't go together. The sealers, the mini sealers will just burn it up.